2. Basically, I want to give you an overview of the tools for the Smart Notebook. But the first thing we got to do is we got to get in there. When I open up the computer program in this school, it's got Smart Notebook is listed as one of the devices. And as you saw, I just touched the screen and bam, the Smart Notebook opens up. And the first thing it did show us was the welcome screen, and it minimized it right here. But this is the welcome to the notebook software, and basically it has different things that is useful for you as a teacher. So those are very handy for you to explore, but on the edge here, on the top, the sides, and along the bottom is information that's very useful. Basically on the bottom here is access to your own computer, which is sweet. If you want to get into programs that you've already minimized, you just click it, and then it'll be just like a computer. It'll be right there. But what I want to do is show you up here, if we don't want to look at those on the bottom, we only want to look at the smartboard, all we have to do is bam, touch that, and all we will see is what we do on the Smart Notebook page. And then down in the corner here, I don't know if you saw that, I click this to make it bigger, and then down here it shows where it is to make it smaller. So then this way we still have access to our computer stuff. And basically up here, it's like similar things to your regular computer. It's got different ways of saving, different ideas for editing, copy, cloning, different ways of viewing the different pages, inserting different picture files and formatting different things, drawing, ways to respond, and of course the help folder, which is really useful too. So those are similar to a regular computer, but then obviously you're seeing things along this side and the top that are a little bit different. But over here, I'm going to show you this. We've got different little things that are instant action tools that you can get to right away, but some of them, as you'll see, they're up top here as well. So I'm going to just set that aside, and in here you'll see this. This is basically shows you all the pages you're creating. Here's our gallery. It has all sorts of stuff you can type and search for right there, and you can interact with it here. It also has different where you can save different files here. This is different things where you can actually create the pages and colors and backgrounds. You can also record things on here. And then this is other resources for you for the Smart Notebook pages. Up here we've got, your open your file, your save, a brand new page. We've got close it, or X or delete. We've got this cool thing, which is a kind of like a screen or a shade, and you just can move it up and down, and I've used that many times too. This right here, we still have our screen on here, our shade, and look at that. We can make our shade on this page go up or down, but what we've done is we've turned our page from 1 into 2 pages. So now we are back to this side, and we have 2 pages. Now we only have 1 page again, all right? So, but we're going to go this, just like we did before. We're going to go like this, and you know what? I don't think I want a shade, so I'm going to delete that. Up here, it's really cool. We've got a camera. Say we've drawn something or we've done something with the kids. We can click, take a picture of it, and then we can save it as a folder or a document for later. Also here is a really cool device where there's actually one on my desk over here, and it's got a picture of what it looks like. It's kind of like this, and it's like a little light or lens and a microscope kind of idea. But whatever you put down here, you can see it up here. So if you want to show the kids a picture of something or a page on a book, you put it down here, the kids will see it here. Also, if you want to move manipulatives, you can do different math stuff down here, and the kids will see what kids are working on up here. It's a really fun thing to use. So, and then over here we've got our basic tools. We've got a writing tool. I like the color red, so I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to write my name in red. Woohoo! If I want to use some other designs, I can pick some of this other stuff. If I want to erase, oh yeah, I think I better erase that. That wasn't so good. If I want to do lines of different types, I can use that. Shapes, really fun to do. And actually, I'm going to do a shape real quick right now. I'm going to make it this big. And you know what? I like